Hello and welcome. We are MSys Solutions Private Limited, providing innovative, flexible, and feature-rich DMS solutions to automobile dealers since 1990. Our solution have been trusted by more than 250 plus dealers across 8 states in India, mainly because of our deep understanding of the requirements of modern dealerships and the Indian consumers. Today we are going to talk about our signature product AutoNet DMS and how it can help your dealerships run more efficiently, boost your sales, increase your profits, and retain more customers. AutoNet covers all the modules one would associate with the DMS, such as vehicle sales, spare parts, service, accounting, and marketing. Say goodbye to the tiring paperwork in your showroom. Digitally generate invoices, job cards, quotation, and cut down on printing cost by emailing these directly to your customers. Marketing module provides automation in sending SMS, WhatsApp, email for your transactional and marketing needs. You can market your services according to your profession, territory, and occasions. User access in AutoNet is based on your job role. This means the sales executive will only see the screen that is relevant to him, managers will see the screen relevant to them, and the owners will see what is relevant to him. AutoNet provides a very robust and efficient financial system based on Indian as well as international accounting standards. You can manage multi-branch accounts, file GST returns, easy third-party integrations, real-time transactions. AutoNet also provides you with a smart CRM system which allows you to capture new leads and timely service follow-ups, which helps the sales and the service executive with the right information at the right time to follow up. In spare parts, you can directly import the sales order, you can have a check on your safety stock, manage and generate your purchase order easily and quickly. Import option in purchase saves your time and makes your operations very easy. AutoNet has a very dynamic reporting and analytical structure which will help you to analyze your showroom's financial position, which will eventually lead you to direct your showroom's paths towards progress. Service is an important aspect of revenue generation for your showroom. AutoNet allows you to share future advices and suggestions with your clients. AutoNet also has a very efficient system for internal movement of spare parts within the showroom. You can also manage annual maintenance contract very effectively with AutoNet. You can cater to hundreds of clients with token management system. Tracksheet gives you complete information of vehicle on the bay and vehicle status in the waiting lounge. All in all, AutoNet DMS has all the features that would provide your showroom a more efficient way of working in your daily operations, and this would in turn allow you to enhance your customer experience, making your showroom a truly modern automobile showroom. To find out more, contact us.